Basin Electric's generating units need to be maintained, much like your car needs oil changes and new spark plugs. For the natural gas-based units, the maintenance schedule is based on either how many times they have been started up or on how many hours they run. Joe Fiedler is manager of distributed generation and says for the Wartsila engines at Pioneer Generation Station, for example, some are hitting major milestone run hours of 24,000 hours.
Well, as we focus on the strategic initiatives and the strategic planning, some of the goals and operations, the two main ones are availability and reliability, and then reducing the forced outage rate. And in the past, when the peakers weren't running as many hours, that might not have been as critical. But with the generation forecast hours and trying to achieve those strategic initiatives and goals, we need to be certain that we're doing the maintenance when it needs to be done so that we can be reliable and reduce our forced outage rates. We don't want things to catastrophically break if we can do the preventative maintenance and keep that from happening. So it's much better to schedule things and be ahead rather than having things break down and potentially being unavailable at times when we need to be, like severe weather events. Or the cost is significantly more if you run things till they break instead of doing the maintenance on them.